Hey, here's a challenge. Can you break 324 down into its building blocks? That means the prime number that exactly divisible by to give it 324. So stick around as we are peel back the layers of 324 using the magic of prime factorization. It is easier than it looks and way more satisfying. So first, what is prime factorization? It means expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. So those indivisible numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So in other words, we are going to finding out what prime numbers multiply together to give us 324. So let's start. So as we can see, 324 is even. So it can be divided by 2. So 324 divided by 2 is equals to 162. Now 162 is also even. When we divide it by 2, we get 81. Now 81 is not even, but the sum of digit is 9. That is divisible by 3. It gives us 27. Now 27 again divisible by 3. 9. 9 divisible by 3. 3 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So final prime factorization of 324 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or in terms of exponent is 2 power 2 times 3 power 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question or puzzles, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.